Hi everybody, welcome to Aizen'schannel. Today we're gonna make zucchini and potato stir fry seasoned with soy sauce. Hope you like it. This is ingredients. We're gonna use zucchini, potatoes, soy sauce, olive oil, and salt and pepper. Okay, let's get started. First, zucchini. Peel skin a little to look good and cut it up. Next, potatoes. Peel skin and cut it up. Then put potatoes in water for a while. 5 minutes later, take potatoes out on a tray and microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. We're gonna make sauce. We use soy sauce and olive oil. Mix together in a bowl. This is the key. Stir very well. Turn on the heat. Put some olive oil on a pan. Fry zucchini first. When zucchini turns brown, add potatoes on the pan and put a lid on. And salt and pepper. Turn up the heat. While zucchini and potatoes are hot, put them in the sauce and mix well. That's it. It's done. Cilantro is also good with it. Zucchini and potato stir fry seasoned with soy sauce. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.